Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. The 2025 skincare routine is going strong. Morning is the same. Gentle Cetaphil cleanser, 2 drops of this azelaic acid, and one of these sunscreens. The Korean ones are really starting to grow on me a little bit. Their more natural neutral scent is nicer to use on an everyday basis compared to the Japanese ones that are a little bit more floral and perfumey, even though these are faster drying. The nighttime oil cleanse, toner, and I was really trying to use this for face and body to eliminate a product, but this one was clearly too heavy and causing me more breakouts. So the Vanicream is back and here to stay for a while. Adapalene, I'm still on the Glenmark. Once this is done, we will be moving to the acne free. But the new product for this year is this Renewing SA Cleanser by Cerave. I have used salicylic acid cleansers before, and I've also used panoxyl, which is benzoyl peroxide. And I think I just need a stronger cleanser to get rid of these little whiteheads here and there that I'm still having. This one, according to Reddit, is 0.5%, so it is low enough concentration compared to a 1 or 2 or 3% SA cleanser that I can probably use this every day. Let's go wash our face. It's been a few months. Today is April 9th. I was getting more and more acne earlier this year, and it wasn't until the Jackson Hole trip I started to figure things out a little bit. Check out the video, a lot of acne in the front lip area. And during the trip, all I had was the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser, a sunscreen, and Vanicream Moisturizer. I went back to this very simple routine. Everything started to calm down. I slowly added back the toner, still looking pretty good. Added back azelaic acid, 2 drops in the morning, feeling great. And also still using the adapalene retinol. So the conclusion is one of these or both of these were causing my acne. I did a little bit of research. The SA cleanser can cause acne, and also the oil cleanse can cause acne. I don't want to risk breaking out again, so I have completely stopped using these two. Everything has been pretty smooth sailing. I'm gonna continue this, maybe switch a few things out, try some new sunscreens, try some new moisturizers, but I don't think I will be messing with the cleansers anymore. For now, video 270 done.